Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob. You can practice your listening skills and understanding as I speak, so let's get started. Many people feel confused when they think about jobs and studies. Some study for years but still feel unsure. Others work early and feel they missed something. Stay with me for a moment. This part is important. Studying gives you structure. It trains your mind to focus, think, and solve problems. But studying alone does not always give confidence. Confidence grows when knowledge meets experience. If this topic feels real to you, keep listening. A job teaches you different lessons: time management, responsibility, communication. You learn how people really behave, not how books describe them. Quick reminder, subscribe if you like real-life English like this. Many students believe good grades guarantee a good job. That's not always true. Grades open doors, but skills keep them open. This is where most people lose attention. Don't. Working while studying can feel exhausting, but it builds discipline. It teaches balance. You start to understand effort in a deeper way. If you're still listening, you're doing great. Some people rush into jobs and ignore studies. Later, they feel limited. Not stuck, but limited. Education expands options. Work sharpens direction. Pause for a second and think about your own path. Confidence doesn't come from choosing the perfect path. It comes from committing to a path and improving on it. By the way, subscribing helps you train your listening daily. Many people compare themselves to others: friends, classmates, online success stories. That comparison destroys focus. Stay here, this is practical advice. Your journey does not need approval. It needs consistency. Some days studying feels pointless. Some days work feels draining. That doesn't mean you're failing. If you relate to this, you're not alone. Jobs teach you value. Studies teach you vision. When both work together, confidence appears naturally. Still with me? Good. This part matters. Confidence is not loud. It's calm. It's knowing you can learn what you don't know. Employers don't look for perfection. They look for growth. Subscribe if you want more calm, real English like this. Mistakes at work feel embarrassing. Mistakes in studies feel discouraging. But both are training. Most people quit here. Don't. Confidence grows after repetition, after showing up again, even when motivation is low. Some people find confidence through success. Others find it through failure. Both are valid. Take a breath. We're halfway. Balancing job and studies teaches prioritization. Not everything deserves the same energy. Learning when to say no is power. If this is helping, stay focused. Confidence also comes from communication, asking questions, admitting confusion. Silence delays growth. Subscribe. It helps the channel grow and helps you stay consistent. You don't need to have life figured out. You need direction, not certainty. Jobs change. Studies evolve. You adapt. This flexibility is confidence. The strongest people are not fearless. They are willing to learn again. If you are studying now, be patient. If you are working now, stay curious. Still here? Respect. Confidence builds when effort becomes habit, not when motivation feels high. Every small step counts. All right, everyone, that's it for today on Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, and I hope this helped you practice your listening skills. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily English practice.